We're gonna do Mozart. Let's go. So as always, Google Mr. Velez and you're gonna find it, Mr. Velez Virtual Music. Click there. It's gonna take you to my website. Then go to Music Tag, go to the Songmaker section. There's a lot here going on that I'm updating. Should be there. Look for Mozart. Click there. It's gonna be here. Then here you have to open the app so you can start working. This is the for recording the app, the screen recording. This is the tutorial how to use this app. Screencastify, also to record, another option. Google Doc, please save everything in your Google Doc. You don't want to lose it or you're gonna be sorry for that. And then this is a rondo form. This is the famous Rondo Turkish March by Mozart. Was born in 1756 and died in 1791. He was young, just 35 years old, and he did a lot. So this is a rondo form with 4 parts. There's more, but in this short Songmaker we can only do 16 bars. So then this is A, B, A, C. This is a famous rondo. And then we're gonna split into 4 here. Chromatic, we're gonna use all 12 notes: C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, and B. Also we have flat, but we're gonna call it sharp to make it like easier. So we have 12 notes. Then change the meter C over here to A. Add another octave so you can have 3. Copy the melody and the chord notes. So in this case, we're gonna copy the melody. We're gonna copy the chords in the bottom. We're not gonna add anything. We're just gonna mess around with the drums. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna pretend, yes, please remember to put the 3 octaves so you can see there's a lot of notes there. Make sure you are copying in the right place. Don't get confused. The colors, there are a lot of colors, so it's not gonna sound right. Then check the drum foundation. We're gonna start with this 3 bass, and then after that drum foundation is bass on 1, snare 2, leave that 3 empty, snare 4, bass on 1, see this is beat 1, snare 2, empty in the beat 3, then snare 4. That's the foundation. You can see here in the instruction, see drum foundation, which is there in the picture, and then you can add more to make it more interesting. So let's do that. Bass on 1, this is bar 2, snare 2, empty, snare 4. Bass on 1, this is bar 3. This is beat 2, beat 3, beat 4, and so. But then you can experiment and check. So here is part A. What we're going to do here. Let's listen. Okay, 2. It's good to first listen in your head where you want the sound. Maybe a snare at the end. Remember patterns. Let's listen. Yeah. Okay, here start the second part. So here I had to copy what I was doing and maybe do some fill, because the next part is gonna come as to make that interesting. Let's listen. See, for the next part. So now in the next section, you can then change the rhythm. See, in the next section. So remember to copy all 16 bars, and then you can, in different section, then you can start changing patterns and do other stuff. But don't get too crazy. Keep it simple. And when you're done, copy here. They go save your project. Copy the link and save it on your Google Doc. And remember, we have 4 sections. So 4 sections have to be different. But section A, you can copy from your A section. And there you go. Hope this was helpful, guys. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Remember to smash it and subscribe. Bye.